India is on alert after a new COVID strain was found in the United Kingdom, leading to tough restrictions now in UK cities. The Union Health Ministry has called for an urgent meeting to discuss the emergence of coronavirus strain in the United Kingdom. The Joint Monitoring Group of the Health Ministry there is currently meeting to discuss the new mutated version of coronavirus. Meanwhile, amid the panic, Union Health Minister called it an imaginary situation, or in fact, it is a difficult situation, but they're already deciding on how to control it if in case. He assures that there is no need to create panic as of yet, as our scientists are closely monitoring the situation. Opposition leaders are demanding suspension of flights to and from the United Kingdom immediately.
अभी ये सब इमेजिनरी सिचुएशंस, इमेजिनरी बातें, इमेजिनरी पैनिक, इन सब के अंदर आप अपने आप को मत उलझाइए। सरकार हर बात के लिए पूरी तरह से सजग है और जैसे पिछले एक साल में आपने देखा कि सरकार ने आवश्यकता के अनुरूप जनता के हितों की रक्षा करने के लिए जो जिस समय पर आवश्यकता किया, वो सारी चीज़ें सरकार देख रही है।
It was part of the character of this virus. As has been, it has a progenicity to mutate. And in itself, in India, we have seen many variants. But the strategy would still remain a challenge.
It's quite possible that we already are having this variant with us. Whether it will appear again from UK, quite possible. Now, due to that, what will happen is the issue. The way we see in India today, the cases have gone down substantially. So the so-called herd immunity that we keep on talking might have affected to a certain extent is one possibility. People might have got some level of immunity already. And therefore, when this new virus comes up in India, the risk of transmission in our country appears to me at least on a slightly lower level. Chances of getting to a situation like UK are unlikely. Scientists are working on that. In UK in particular, they say in about 2 weeks' time they will get more detailed information and definitive information. But knowing this virus now, because we have been looking at it from last December, and this virus is a stable virus comparatively. So the new variant also, as I mentioned, that there are corrective measures within the virus itself. So the new variant also will be preventable by the vaccine as it appears as of now.
Cutting across to Ashutosh joining us live for more details. Ashutosh, a key hurdle among the Union, the Health Ministry, along with some of those from the scientific community who have gathered. Now, Health Minister has warned that this is just information that's come about. There's nothing to panic, so don't jump at the information that you've got first. It's only imaginary as of now. He says there's really nothing to be worried about. But is there any word on restrictions in terms of international travel, particularly to the United Kingdom?
Well, Nabila, the reaction that has come from the Union Health Minister, that seems to be a counter reaction from a comment that was made by the city Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, where he demanded that there has to be a restriction on the flights, particularly coming from the United Kingdom. And we have seen the many countries, including European Union, taking such decisions, particularly after this mutation virus, they have taken such measures. Now, counter to those, the Union Health Minister has appealed that there is no need to panic, and the science community is indeed taking care of it. At 1:10 p.m. this afternoon, the meeting will begin, where the top officials from the government, Health Ministry, and also the representatives from World Health Organization will sit together, and there will be deliberation on all aspects of this mutation, whether it can be treated through the vaccine or there are other major restrictive measures need to be taken. Those all will be decided. And indeed, in this meeting, if there is at all requirement of putting restrictions on the air services in flight and outbound flight to United Kingdom, those measures indeed will be recommended to the government. But for now, looking at the concerns that growing across the country and across the globe, the Union Health Minister has appealed not to panic. But we have seen it just been a year If you remember, it was the same time last year when the cases of COVID started pouring in, and cases were reported across the globe. And here, within few months, the first case was reported in India, and then the situation, how it turned out, we all have seen. And clearly, when there is such new case, mutation, and anything that is worrying the countries like United Kingdom, that indeed somewhere affect and put some concerns not only in the agencies but also in the mind of the people. And that perhaps why the meeting, this top level meeting, has been called today, where all these deliberations, all aspects will be looked upon, and further recommendations will be given to the government and the agencies. Nabila.
Well, thank you very much, Ashutosh, for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.